Today at APDTY we have a 2017 Tesla Model X, an absolutely beautiful car, awesome car, and we're going to install a screen protector. The screen on this car looks like a like what an iPad 20 would look like. So we're going to put a protector on there to protect the screen and show you how. Simple, quick video. Okay, so today we're going to install our screen protector on our nice, beautiful big screen in the Model X. And I guess it's the same as the Model S. We purchased the screen protector from EVannex, which we're in Florida, and I believe they're in Florida. And we got the HD anti-fingerprint one. There is a few others available. The matte anti-glare sounds pretty interesting too, but we'll try this anti-fingerprint one. I know my fingerprints are always on this screen. So we read the instructions. We watched a YouTube video that Abstract Ocean created that was done very well. My video will probably not be as good as theirs, so I'll try, but I would recommend watching both. The first thing it tells you to do is to turn off your climate control and then wipe all the dust off. And there is a screen cleaning mode that Tesla builds into the controls, so we're gonna just go ahead and start this up here. So first thing is turn off the climate control. That's so we don't have all the dust and everything blowing around. Next is I'm gonna go to controls and settings and displays and hit clean mode. If you can see here, we did move the car so that we're in the sun so we can see all the dust. I'm going to adjust it just a little bit to try and get some more sun in here. And it's really amazing how much the sun... I was probably already there. There we go. Okay. So I adjusted the vehicle so the sun is shining onto the screen to show all my fingerprints, and you can see all the dust. So that is an important tip, because if I'm in the shade you can't even see all that dust. So I'm going to use the screen cleaner that came with it. And it does show you to kind of clean it this way. My fingerprints might take a little bit more work to get off. Okay, so we're going to use the old tape trick, which is just Scotch tape, and it's the sticky side out. And this is in the same video that I mentioned earlier from Abstract Ocean. And it's just like when you do an iPhone, same thing. So I think what we'll do is, my cameraman just suggested, why not I start at the top with this dust? Because man, it is not as easy as it seems to get this dust off of there. Okay, so I'll start at the top because we're pretty sure we got all the dust off the top. So I'm going to pull the screen protector out of the case it comes in. There is an inner and an outer layer to it. So you're going to leave the second step 2 on it till the end. And step 1 is what you remove first, and this is what sticks to the screen. And we want to kind of tuck it up underneath this trim here. Stinking dust. Okay, so number 2 I'm going to fold over towards me because that's going to peel off at the end. Number 1 I'm going to peel off. And in their video they said go about 25% of the way down. little bit more difficult than it seems. And they do give you a card to get the air bubbles out. So I'll use the card, and hopefully, man, the dust is kind of hard to see. The dust on the outside, yeah, it looks like it's dust from the outside. So you'll use this card that comes with it to get rid of the air bubbles. Okay, so we pretty much got it installed. There is 2 little bubbles over here, and I'm just going, oh, that one's gone. And I'm just gonna live with it. And now this is why you bent out the number 2 tab, so that you can pull it down, which be nice if it was a little bit bigger. A little pair of tweezers would help. Okay, so this is the outer skin, which as I peel this off should give us a nice clean screen. And it looks pretty good. So meanwhile my phone is ringing. Let me turn that off. All right, so then we press and hold to exit cleaning mode. 3, 2, 1. Put the AC back on because it's kind of hot here in Florida. And we've got our HD anti-fingerprint screen protector installed. Available at EVannex.com. I'll put a link down there because those guys do make some cool stuff. They specialize in Tesla-only products. I also got my, you know, Elon Musk little air freshener and my little leather key fobs from them. So visit EVannex.com.